Most homes have smoke detectors that are hardwired, meaning they're tied into the main electrical system with a battery backup. If there's a loss of power, then the battery backup will kick in. When the smoke detector's battery gets low, you will hear a high-pitched chirping or beeping sound coming from the device. Because the smoke detectors are hardwired, you will hear the beeping throughout your home. It is recommended that all the batteries be changed at the same time. In order to replace the batteries, shut off the power at the breaker subpanel. The smoke detector should be labeled. If you do not know how to do this, please reference the subpanel usage video included on your Site 1 portal. Remove the smoke detector from the mounting bracket. Remove the battery and install the new battery in the same manner as the old battery. Press and hold the test button for approximately 15 seconds until you hear it beep. Reconnect the detector to the ceiling mount. Turn the power back on at the sub panel. If the smoke detector continues to chirp, it may need simple cleaning. Over time, dust can accumulate and all you need to do is vacuum the device. If it continues to chirp, the smoke detector may need to be replaced. Contact a licensed professional to replace it. Do not try to repair it. Smoke detectors are relatively inexpensive. Just have it replaced. The batteries to your smoke detector should be checked monthly, and the battery should be changed at least twice a year, typically during daylight savings time. Just a few tips. Make sure to use fresh batteries. Never disconnect your smoke detector simply to stop the chirping. These devices are designed to alert you to a possible fire and will not do you or your family any good if it's on the shelf.